back here at the arena in San Juan City for the continuing and live and exclusive coverage of opening weekend for the Season 74 of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Kani-kanina po, nanalo ang FEU over UE now. The main event for our Sunday doubleheader, the defending champions DLSU Lady Spikers going up against perennial Final Four contender Adamson University Lady Falcons, still looking for their very first volleyball championship. Hello everybody, Boom Gonzalez together with Mosey Ravenna for ABS-CBN Sports. Good to see you again, Mosey. Highly anticipated season. This year we've been saying it since yesterday, and now DLSU starts its campaign to defend its title.
Finally, volleyball season once again. A lot of fans anticipating the old and the new faces in the teams, and of course, yung paano ba yung teams nila this year? How will they fare in Season 74?
So lahat na nagpakita na, no, for this year except for these two teams. And let's talk about the defending champions first. DLSU losing Steph Mercado and Jackie Alarca, all because of graduation. They're still coached, of course, by the walang kasawa-sawa. Kaibigan mo yan, Mosey.
Of course, Coach Ramil De Jesus. And you know, Coach Ramil De Jesus, really, kinikwento nga sa'yo, really recruits well. And yung ano kasi niya, yung kanyang volleyball program, ibang klase yung foresight niya. It's really a long foresight. That's why impeccable. Yung pag nakita niyo yung mga bago rookies ng team niya, hindi niyo aakalaing rookies. That's just how good he is.
Tsaka parang may mold, ano? Yung pagdating sa itsura, yung
may requirement yata to
parang ganun in terms of the length, the height, and athleticism of the players. And see, of course, Michelle Garvin is still going to be part. Sila Michelle Gumabaw, rather, are still going to be part of that team. Sila Cha Cruz and Melissa Going, all part of the key returnees, no?
Maraño's also there.
That's right.
So it's still a formidable team for De La Salle University. Pero malaki rin yung nawala sa kanila with Steph Mercado and Jack Alarca not in the team. Pero nakita natin sa warm-up, it's really a tall team for De La Salle University.
All right, Jazz Reyes actually had the opportunity to talk to the defending champions coach, si Coach Ramil De Jesus. Let's listen to that interview.
Okay, so Coach, how are we going to defend our title this year na nawala na nga si Mercado and Alarca?
Actually, ngayon, medyo mahirap para sa isang team na mawala yung mga seniors at saka yung mga veteran players, no, na kailangan ng team. So, meron naman kami pumalit ng mga rookies para sa mga pwesto nila. Then, hopefully na mag-perform this game at this season.
And that was Coach Ramil De Jesus of the Lady Spikers.
Thank you very much, Jazz. Ganyan naman ang buhay sa UAP talaga, Mosey. You have to deal with the losses from graduation. But also, coaches like Ramil look far ahead. 2-3 years before.
Right.
Talagang pinag-iisipan
na
nila.
Yung team B niya, hindi natin nakikita, pero it's really full of players na sinitrain niya before going into the UAAP. That's why, pag nasa UAAP na sila or in Team A, ibang klase na, halos hindi na kailangan ng adjustment.
At sasabak agad sila kontra ang Adamson University Lady Falcons. Let's talk about that team, Mosey, dahil kung ang Lasal ay nawalan ng dalawang malaking pangalan sa UAP Volleyball, pati rin tong Adamson University.
That's right. Angela Benting and of course si Ponya also missing this year. Tapos na po ang playing years nila. And Coach Minerva Dulce Pante, alam mo, ito naman si Coach Minerva, magaling tong magturo as a coach, ha? Yes, and he draws a lot from her motivation skills, diba, in drawing out the best in her players. But as we can see, this year, hindi ganun kalaki ang lineup ni Coach Minerva. But you have to remember, Angela Benting is not that tall, diba?
Correct.
Pero plays talaga like a, 6-footer player. So, just gets to show you how she trains the players in spite of their height.
Sino ang aasahan ngayon, Mosey, ng Adamson sa pagkawala nila Angela Benting and Jennifer Iponia?
Well, ngayon na yan. Nandiyan pa rin, of course, Soriano is still there. Zapata and Vasquez still in the team also. As you can see, Coach Minerva Pante on your screen. And yun din, tiwala rin ako because she's a veteran coach.
Yes, of course.
And we've seen her through the years with Ayan, as you see Zapata on your screen, you've seen her through the years with exceptional players on the team. So, obviously, this year, meron uli yan. Meron yan papalit kay Angela Benting. Ready sila for the loss of Hiponia also.
Okay, speaking of Coach Dulce Pante, she had an interview with our very own Bea Coronel. Let's listen to that.
Okay, hi Coach. So you've always been one of the more formidable forces in women's volleyball. And yun nga po, medyo last season nag-fall short lang tayo ng konti sa key round. So how do you plan to change things this year?
Actually, hindi naman kailangan mag-change kami ng aming program. Diretso pa rin. Kung nawalan ako ng 5 player, nagkaroon din ako ng 5 player na bago. Yan. Pipilitin namin umakyat pa uli kami.
Okay, thank you Coach and good luck also today. That was Coach Dulce Pante of the Adamson Lady Falcons.
Thank you very much, Bea. Alam mo, rematch ito nung Final Four natin last year.
Parang humaba lang. But of course,
Tama.
it's a new season and let's see if it will have the same result or a different one. So we'll see in this game.
Oh, hindi po nanalo ang Adamson University sa Lasal last year. Let's see if that changes this year. We'll take a break. We'll be back to you with our main game for our Sunday doubleheader. DLSU and Adamson University live here on Studio 23.